Hello guys, this is Manny. I haven't done a video in a long while. Been busy with school and work. Both have been driving me insane, but I'm off from school, so I got a bit of time, and it was a surprise to me and very funny since I work in networking that they had a CentOS 6.0, 6.1, and I didn't even realize. So I've been experimenting with it today. There are a couple changes to it, and I expect that if you are trying to do Asterisk Labs like in my videos, and you download the latest CentOS and run through it, you might run into a problem or two. So this is why I'm here. I'm creating this video for that reason. So alright, so also I've upgraded my computer. If you don't notice, Windows 7, very nice, very nice. I've updated hardware and software. It's running pretty fast. Let me show off a bit. It's quad core, so 2 logical cores in each one, so 8 gigs. I'm sure you guys have better and over the top, but I like this. Alright, so let's start with making a new virtual machine. Alright, we'll call it CentOS. Let's give it a good gig of memory for RAM. Create the new hard drive. This is also the latest VirtualBox. In my other videos I use an old version, if you didn't notice. Okay, let's select the CentOS CD. This looks like it. I'm going to get the i386. x86-64 is not going to work. So there we go. Next, start. Alright, you could go with the first one. You really don't have to go with the second one here. It's alright. That was what it read there, was to install on an existing system, I believe. So it doesn't matter, as far as I can tell anyway. In fact, we're going to go with a minimal install, so it's not like we're going to need graphic drivers or anything. Okay, from then, disk found. If you're doing it off an ISO that you stored on the computer, you can just skip that. There's no point in it. But in real world, of course, there's a point in doing it. Got nice and big for the install. Oh, really big. There has to be a way to switch to scale mode. That's better, I think. Hope you guys can still see it good. So I'm going to hit next here. Okay, maybe switching to scale wasn't such a good idea. Yeah, switch. Let's try this. Okay, next. Remember, my videos are focused on Asterisk. Let's see. Yes, discard all data. My videos are focused on Asterisk and voice over IP. This is the only lab setup. So, okay, this is an important screen right here. When you get to this, especially if you're doing the minimal install, click where it says Configure Network. Alright. System Ethernet 0. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit Edit, Connect Automatically. Make sure it's on IPv4 automatic DHCP. You never know. IPv6. I don't. If some of you are there, you know, you can configure this the way you want to for the networking. But this is for your install. So I'm actually going to cancel that. I want to show you what to do just in case you forget. And my mouse is acting rather oddly right now. I can't get it to point where I want it to point. See, it's in the middle of the screen and I push it out. Can't wait to install the guest editions on this one. I got a bad feeling about it. So let's hit next now. So again, my configure network, it's not configured properly, and I'm doing that on purpose so I can show you what to do in case you're installing it and you forget to do it. I'm going to make my password very basic password. You have provided a weak dictionary word. Yeah, use anyway. I know. Well, there's nothing to replace here. This is a new virtual machine. It should be virtual unallocated data, no format or anything. So let's use up everything. Okay, write changes to disk. Let me switch out of full screen mode, see how much time I got left. And I want to keep this under 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes approximately so far. Okay. Here it's saying desktop. In the 6.0 CentOS, minimal was selected by default. So I'm going to go with minimal. You guys in your labs, you could go with basic server. You'll get more features. Basically, I think this is choosing how much we're going to install into this. That's what it's for. Okay. Let's switch up. Okay, next. You know, it's the difference. If you've ever bought a new computer and you get extra services and whatnot, things that you don't necessarily need, you know, that's what they're asking you for. They're asking if you're going to build a database server, maybe they have MySQL already installed on it. I really don't know what the idea behind it is, but I see the point of what they're doing. Yeah, actually I do see the idea. That my sentence didn't make sense right there. That's an oxymoron. So the minimal install should install minimum requirements. If it's anything like CentOS 6.0, this is 6.1. It's going to in fact leave out a bunch of important things, but like the man pages. I noticed in CentOS 6.0 that they left out the man pages. I thought that was completely stupid. So, but it's got VI editor and all the other things that you'd find under your /user/bin directory where all your programs are. Okay, that's installing. I wish this timer gave me minutes. Let's see. Got a little over a minute left. And the other thing I like about the minimal install is fast. You could see 219 out of 245 in there so far. So it's relatively fast install, I have to say, compared to CentOS. I believe, I really don't remember, it was one of the 5s, maybe 5.7. I don't remember what I was installing when I did my first lab with you. Okay, it's 500 seconds. Gonna be it's a minute and 40 seconds we got left. It's almost done here. So, in fact, what I'll do is, as soon as I get the restart button, which do I have it yet? No, it's still next on the bottom. When I get the restart button, I'm going to go ahead and start a new video showing you what to do to fix your network. All right. In fact, I'll just stop the video now. Nothing more to see. It's going to pop up in the right hand corner here. Restart, you click restart. It restarts. It even ejects the CD for you in real life. You know, and it does it in the virtual environment as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, let's stop the video here. Yeah.